guys, good morning. Today is Saturday and we're gonna do a little shop with me. Not a long shop with me, guys. I have to control myself. I can't be shopping forever, but we're gonna do a little shop with me. I'm gonna go to a Home Goods and a Target and that's it. I wanted to go to Ulta too, but the Target that I'm going to, I'm pretty sure they have an Ulta inside that Target, so thank God. So Home Goods, Target, and then we're gonna go home. I'm going to do a little like clean with me and decorate with me for fall. Excuse me, someone recently was like, I really miss your clean with me's, and I'm like, oh my God. So I'm gonna do that. And if you guys didn't know, I have a cleaning TikTok, and I gotta tell you, I'm doing pretty well on my cleaning TikTok. My makeup TikTok, don't ask, okay? Cleaning TikTok, I'm doing super well, so if you want to follow me, it's KCAB the Boss. So yeah, if you like cleaning stuff, that's where I'm at on TikTok. But we're gonna go home, we're gonna clean and then do just like a decorate with me. I tidied up last night so that when I got home today, I wouldn't have a ton of things that I had to do, but my apartment's not clean, so I'm gonna be wiping things down, vacuuming, mopping. So that's what we're gonna do. And I probably look like trash today. I feel so fat, guys. My face is huge, so I don't know what to do. I don't know, like, I don't feel like I eat that bad, but I think my problem is like I'll eat too much. Like I'll have 2 huge meals a day and that's it. I got my coffee. Look, this color doesn't look good. For me, this is too dark, but it tastes really good, so I don't even care about the color anymore. All right, so I'm gonna get out of here. I'm in the Starbucks parking lot. I don't know if I told you that already, but we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go to, I think I'm gonna go to Target first because I feel like the later it gets, the more crazy Target gets, even though I feel like Target is just crazy all the time. But that's the plan. It's the plan, Stan. So the cats have like a little placemat, a marble placemat where I have their food, and I wanted to switch it up for fall. Oh my Lord. I'm telling you guys, living in a city sucks. Everybody's loud, even kids are screaming. But anyway, yeah, so I have a little placemat where they put, a marble placemat where I put their food. And I wanted to switch it up for fall, and I thought this was cute. Alright, so now I'm at Home Goods. The stress that I went through at that Target, never again. Not worth it. If I ever tell you guys, I'm going to the Midtown Target in Miami, just say no. Say no. Remember? No. Woo, guys, it is hot. If you ever want to come to Miami, do not come during the summer. Don't even come, what are we in, September? Don't even come in September. Come in December, January, February, maybe, I don't know. Woo, but it's hot. As expected, I spent way too much time in Target and in Marshalls and in Home Goods. Oh shit, this is not my day. Everybody and their mom, they're crossing the street. Who's my bad boy? Who's my bad boy? Come here. That's my pretty boy. Yes, I let my cats up on the table. I clean this table 3-4 times a day, and they like it, okay? They like hanging out with us when we're working and stuff, so I let them on the table. But I'm home, obviously. I cleaned up a little bit. This is what we got going on. I'm gonna start with my couch and my coffee table area. I like to have throw blankets on the couch for the cats because, number one, cats love blankets. Am I right, Gamby? Can barely see him. Number one, and then number two, it just helps, you know, them not totally ruin the couch. So I'm gonna start here. I think, coffee table, and then we'll do, sorry if I'm making you guys dizzy, the TV area. I know it's kind of like just a mess, you know? It's not perfect, it's not aesthetically pleasing, you know what I mean? Look, I already have this out. And this I have to put away. So I just have a ton of crap everywhere, honestly, but I cleaned up a little bit. I changed. I look like poopy diaper big time. Look who came to join. Look at my babies. Anyway, this is all of my stuff. Everything here. What is your deal? What is your deal, Graham? Jeez. Huh? Say it one more time. Huh? Can you let me film for a little bit, sweetie? All right, so this is everything that I have. I think we're gonna be good. I have the pillows, I have a couple throws over here, some kitchen stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started and hope that he doesn't ruin everything. Graham, please let me live. Okay, so this is the couch. It's not the best. Maybe I'll change out this black pillow. Actually, hold on. This is the couch refresh vinyl. It's not the best, but you know, it's what I have, and you know, I think it's gonna look really good when everything else is, you know, folly. Right now there's a lot of green, there's a lot of mess here. I think it'll look a lot better in a minute. I hadn't moved the table in a while, so I figured this would be the perfect time. Spraying the carpet. This is where we ended off. I brought Mando back and then I just did that. I know it's nothing crazy, but I think I like it better. The tray just wasn't doing it for me. Oh my god, so the coffee table is finally done. Whew, we can move on to the kitchen, I think, or like make our way to the kitchen. Stop it. Stop it. I just cleaned the couch. Hey! This is Pine Sol, the lavender scent, just in a lot of water, and I love it. It's so good. And a little microfiber cloth. Alright, there you go, guys. Nothing crazy, something simple. I didn't have to think too much about it. Where to put your old stuff? Ugh, just put it right behind the stuff that you have out. And look, no one will ever know. Not that it matters too much. I put a little thing there, and then that's it for the TV stand. I know, not crazy, not super, oh my god, but it's something. I might put a little pumpkin there. Hold on. I'm keeping those 2 pumpkins there. I don't care what you guys say. Okay, so with my desk, I don't know what I want to do because this is kind of how it is every day, and every time I film, I have to take everything off, and I actually decorate it each time I film. Is that? No, it's not crooked. So really quick, look at these cute freaking earrings that I got at Target. Oh my, I couldn't pass them up. I'm a sucker for earrings. These are $12.99. I'm a sucker. I love Bauble Bar #1, so I had to buy them. All right, so, oh, let me show you these 2 things. Heard a lot of people talk about the Revolution, I'm telling you, I hate this vlog camera. The Revolution cream bronzer. This is in medium because they didn't have any more light. It might be too dark, but I was like, you know what, let me try it. It can't be that bad. And then I want to do like a super chocolatey look. So I got this NYX Butter Gloss. This is in Ginger Snap. So those were the makeup items that I got. So for my desk, I think I'm going to put that plant outside. A lot of my plants are going outside. And then I'm going to put something up in my little moon shelf. I might put something there. But I don't know, because I feel like I'm kind of running out of stuff. Like, I know these 2 things I want to put in the kitchen. This is going on the moon shelf. I'm sorry guys, the lighting is really bad this way, but just a quick update. I put this little sign up and some fake flowers, and I think it's so cute. Like right when you walk in, this is what you see. I'm really in a rush now, guys, so this might be, you know, a little less talky and more just voiceover, but yeah, I gotta get going because I gotta start filming. Look how cute! I love it! Alright guys, it took me a little bit, but I found my little coffee setup. I think it's so cute! You know, with the space and everything. I just have to put my sugar in here. I hate that this is not, you know, whatever, centered, but I think it's cute. What do you guys think? So of course I have to have like fall specific wallflowers. So I have these 2. This one I got this year. This one I got last year. And this one might be too big for next to my sink. Whatever. But it's so cute, and the only other spot where I put a wallflower is next to the litter box, but nobody goes over there and sees it, so I don't know. This one's so cute. This is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. It has to, you know, it has to be a fall scent. Let me smell. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Not done with the kitchen at all, but you know, I'm cleaning one spot and it makes a mess in another spot. By the way, I know this is not like aesthetically pleasing, but this is amazing. This soap, it is so easy and it does not spill. Like I keep it right here and you don't see any blue. You literally squirt, put it down, and it does not leak. It's amazing. Alright guys, it's been a long day. I am tired. I don't know, the cleaning, the decorating, the thinking, changing things a million times, it drains you, okay? I'm not crazy. Am I crazy? I don't know. Anyway, I keep forgetting I have makeup on. Anyway, right now I think I'm pretty much done. I didn't use everything that I had, but I used a lot of it. They're like these little decorative pumpkins. I'm going to show you later, and I just don't know what to do with them. If you guys can give me ideas, I would greatly appreciate it. But let me just give you a quick overview because it is late and I need to start filming my get ready with me. So we'll start off right here with the first thing that we did. Look at my beautiful baby number one. How is my baby? Oh my goodness, he's just, I love him so much. He's an angel. Look at him. All right, so starting with the couch, love it. I think it's super cute. It looks comfy. It looks like people live here, you know. I wanted to put something on that little book thing so it looked a little more fall-y, but I didn't really have anything, so, you know, it is what it is. Coffee table is my favorite part of the whole apartment. I think it's so cute. I'm lighting this candle and it smells so good. It is far away from this little thing, so don't worry. My apartment will not catch fire, I hope. Anyway, I love the coffee table. I think it's so cute. I'm falling. And that's another candle from Target. Apparently that's super good, so hopefully I can burn it eventually. And then let's just swing around. I hope the lighting doesn't mess up. The TV stand, nothing crazy. You guys saw this. I just added these little things here. I don't know. I was kind of like, I don't know what to do with it. I don't want to waste it, so I added it there, the two little pumpkins. This was a travesty. Is it a tragedy? I think it's a tragedy. This, I was gonna do a super cute DIY pumpkin thing. It didn't plan out. It looks like poopy diaper, so I just shoved it right here and we're calling it a day. So please don't judge me, okay? But that's the TV stand. I don't really do much to my plant shelf, as you can see, but I think this is good enough. It's fall-y. And then we're moving on to my desk area. I never know. This isn't my favorite part either. I don't know what to put here, okay? And I wanted to switch the pumpkins with that thingy, but it just doesn't, this doesn't look good over there. I don't know. So every year, I've had this for like 3 years already, and every year I don't know where to put it, so that's just where it's going for now. Just so you guys know, this here is for Graham. This is where he sleeps, and he loves it. And he knocked that down, so whatever. He loves it. This is his little bed, so I keep it there for him, and he's in it all the time. This little thing, I love this little section. Oven, Ricardo's mom got me this super cute towel last year or the year before, I'm not sure, and it's so cute, so I put it up. And then this is a little thin, so when you dry your hands, it's like not doing a great job. So I have this one here. I know it's not super cute, but it's, you know, we use the towel a lot, so I have to. And then of course I had to buy my Grogu little spoon rest, okay? I love it. This, I don't know what to do with, but I'm sure I'll think of something. So that's just chilling there. This was my water cup. Oh my God, I was so thirsty, guys. I was dying. This is a mess. Don't look at that. Don't look at the sink. This is everything that I need to clean. It's nothing dirty, but you know. Wallflower, look how cute. This thing, I wasn't gonna put it, but now I'm like, it's so cute, I have to put it up. My little coffee station, I'm obsessed. I came into my bedroom because the AC just turned on and it's so loud, and I don't think it's as loud here in the bedroom. But I just wanted to end off this video with just a huge thank you for you guys who are still here. For those of you watching my videos, it means the world to me. I am going to take a quick shower. I'm gonna do my TikToks, my Reels, and my YouTube videos, and that's it. That's it. Let me know what you guys think of my decorating. If you have any tips or tricks, you better let me know. I am super open to it. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.